Now, in sample D, what they did here is very simple. This thing now is what? 3 power 3. Okay? 3 power 3. So if 3 multiplies itself 3 times, it will give us 27. The same thing is also applicable here, 1 power 3. Okay? This one is also what? 5 power 3, meaning 5 times 5 times 5, 125. So let's apply this sample in solving question 11 to 12. Now, this place, now what we are going to do is what? 1 over 2 power 3. Okay, which is 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, it will give us 1 over 8. We move to question number 64. In question number 64, we are looking for a number that will be here that when it multiplies itself 3 times, it will give us 64. Okay, which is automatically this thing now means cube root of 64. And cube root of 64 is what? Is 4. Okay, now in sample E, what they did here is very simple. What they did is then you will do 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. 4 plus 5 will give us 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. Okay? That is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. We move to this one, which is 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 11 will give us 36. Square root of 36 will give us what? 6. So we are going to use this now to solve question number 13 to 16. Now, in question number 13, this side, this point is not given, okay? So what I will do now is this. I will do 4 minus 3. It will give me what? 1. Square root of 1 is equal to what? 1. Meaning that answer to question number 13 is what? Is option B. We move to question number 13. In 14, in question number 14, this side is not given, okay? So what I will do now is I will do 3 times 3, it will give us 9. Now 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 will give us what? 7. So answer to question number 14 is option B. We proceed to question number 15. In question number 15, this is the part that we are looking for, and it's very simple. What I will do here is what? 5 square. Okay, 5 square will give us 25, or you can do it like this. 4 times 4 will give us 16. 16 plus 9 will give us what? It will still give us 25. So answer to question number 15 is what? 25. We now proceed to question number 16. In question number 16, what we have here, this particular part is what we are looking for, which is I will do 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. It will give me 1 over 4. 1 over 4 plus 3 over what? Over 4. Okay, it will give us what? 4 over 4. And this 4 over 4 is the same thing as 1. Square root of 1 is what? Is 1. So what we are looking for, the value of n is what? Is 1. Or you can do square root of what? 1. You will get what? 1. Now, in sample L, what they did here is very simple. You will do 6 times 6, okay? 4 times 4. So this one now will give us 36 plus 16, okay? When you add it together, it will give us 42. 52, sorry. 52. Now, 52 plus 6 will give us 58. We move to this one. The same thing is also applicable. 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. 2 times 2 is what? Is 4. So when you add 4 here, it will give us 13. 13 plus 4, it will give us 17. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 will give us what? 10. 10 plus 9 will give us 19. So we are going to apply this in solving these very questions that we have here. So in this question number 17, what we are going to do now is this. 4 times 4 will give us 16. 5 times 5 will give us 25. So when you add it together, it will give us 41. 41 plus 4, it will give us what? 45. So answer to question number 17 is what? 45. We move to question number 18. In question number 18, we do 6 times 6 will give us 36. And then you will add 3 to it. When you do, it will give us what? 39. You will now do 64 minus 39. 64 minus 39, you borrow 1 here and add here, it will be 14. 14 minus 9, it will give us 5. 5 minus this will give us what? 2. So what we have here is 25. You will now look out for square root of 25, which is what? 5. So answer to question number 18 is what? Is 5. We move to question number 19. In question number 19, we will do 10 times 10 will give us 100. 100 plus 25 will give us 125. 150 minus 125 will give us what? 25. Now, we now look for square root of 25. And square root of 25 will give us what? It will give us 5. We move to the question number 20. In question number 20, what they did here is very simple. We do 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, it will give us 1 over 4. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, it will equally give us what? 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 will automatically give us what? 1 over 2. Okay. Now for us to find the value of what will be here, we will now do 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Okay. And the answer will become what? 1 over 4. Look at it. LCM of 4 and 2 is what? Is 4. 4 divided 4 will give us 1. 1 times 3 will give us 3. Minus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Which is equal to 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is what? 1. All over 4. So answer to question number 20 is what? Is 1 over 4. Which is what? Option A.